Quality installation. Ensuring long-lasting enjoyment with Sunspace Texas. Hiring a reputable contractor like Sunspace Texas ensures quality craftsmanship and long-lasting enjoyment for your sunroom. Professional installation guarantees that your sunroom is built to industry standards. Quality craftsmanship means attention to detail and the use of the finest materials. Proper installation minimizes risks such as leaks, drafts, and structural issues. Sunspace Texas has years of experience and a reputation for excellence. Skilled craftsmen at Sunspace Texas ensure your sunroom is beautiful and durable. Expertise and ongoing training ensure technicians can handle complex projects. Professional installation protects your investment and provides peace of mind. Sunspace Texas offers a customer satisfaction guarantee on all installations. Trusting experts ensures your sunroom is a safe and enjoyable space year-round. Sunspace Texas works closely with clients to meet their unique needs and preferences.